So, what is your name?
Betty Gerhard.
Okay. And what is being done to your house today?
They're putting on a new roof, which I'm very thankful for.
How long have you needed a new roof for?
Oh, 4 or 5 years, might have been longer. Oh, the shingles have been coming off. We get wind really bad here, and the shingles have been coming off. My son tried to put some up, but he's afraid of height. And what few he did put up, the wind kind of took over.
How will this work help you?
Well, at night, once this is done, I will be able to sleep and not have to worry when the storm comes up that I'm going to get a finding a leak somewhere. I can sleep better, let's put it that way.
Yeah, that makes sense. What is your job here?
We're replacing gutters and trim and painting the porch.
What made you want to come here?
It's just a way of helping out somebody. That's all. It's something that we like to do.
That's nice. How long has this job needed to be done?
How long has it been needed? It's probably been needed a long time. Yeah, but it's still in pretty good shape. So.
So my job is to, we've been scraping the walls and painting and just trying to repair things that, to make it more livable and less leakage. So that's what we've been doing.
And what made you want to volunteer?
I've always volunteered my whole life. I've done mission trips to El Salvador and other things, and this is local, so it's great to help out local because we're as much as need, as everyone else.
One more.
Sure.
How long do you think this job has been needed for?
Oh my goodness. It's way overdue. So, because we're finding there's some of the wood's rotted and stuff like that. So when it starts rotting and things aren't draining properly, we're putting up new gutters. My husband's putting up new gutters and Chris Cash is putting up new gutters, and so that hopefully will help eliminate a lot of the rotting problems that we have with some of the wood.
What is your name?
Joe.
What do you do here?
Today I helped with lunch. Today was my first day.
Oh, what's for lunch today?
Sandwiches, woo! Turkey, bologna, ham.
Oh, that's fun. So why did you decide to volunteer here?
Just because I go to a Methodist church. Just wanted to do my first day.
So what's your name?
Okay.
What do you do here?
I'm on the hospitality committee,
Oh, what is
and we're deciding, we're putting out water and food for all the teams that are doing work on repairs today.
Oh, it was only yesterday.
What made you decide to volunteer?
Because this is something our community
Top one
has
goes out
needed
to
for a
my
while.
car,
People
her
that
car in
can't
the back.
afford to have
Bottom one
repairs
goes
on
to
their
the
house,
cooler.
or they can't do them themselves. It's elderly and people that just can't do their work. So this has been a way that I can do it, because I certainly can't do the repairs on the houses, but I can distribute food to the teams that are doing the repairs.
Thank you so much.
That's it. Excellent.
What is your name?
Dorothy Underwood.
What do you do?
What do I do? I'm just helping make lunches.
What made you decide to volunteer?
I went on a mission trip in Kentucky, and I enjoyed working and doing mission work for other people.
Oh, that's so nice. Do you go to church?
Yes, I do.
That's all.
Thank you.
What do you do here?
I'm hanging around and being told what to do, so I'm doing stuff. Like I'll put a bag of Funyuns in the car.
That would be my job.
Really? You like Funyuns?
Yes. What made you decide to volunteer?
It's my wife. So
Oh, that would make sense.
I would be watching cartoons and sleeping right now.
Happy wife, happy life.
God, my neighbor says that. No, I like to volunteer, and anything that they have to do, I'm happy to do it. Because people need help. Even the people on the roof. So I bring them Funyuns.
Thank you, Bob.
You're welcome.
My name's Fran Saucy.
What made you want to volunteer today?
Well, it's always good to help people who need help, and that's what we're doing. That's what United Methodism is about, is helping people.
Are you happy that you're making a difference in the community?
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely happy I'm making a difference in the community. Everyone is making a difference in the community. We're all working really, really hard to enhance people's lives.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What's your name?
Elise Smith.
What made you want to volunteer?
He's gonna take more.
Because it's
when you're
a passion of my heart to do the best I can for the Lord. And wherever I can volunteer and do His work, that's where I like to be.
That's amazing.